Please refer to the video description below to access the reflection questions and leadership considerations related to this microlearning. Welcome. In this video from the Compassion Resilience series for schools, we'll continue our learning around expectations with a focus on clarifying expectations others may have of us. In another video of our Compassion Resilience series, we highlighted using affirmations to help us reframe the unrealistic expectations we hold for ourselves. While personal expectations impact our well-being, so do expectations placed upon us. Sometimes expectations placed upon us are not clearly defined and are unexpressed, leading us to make inferences about the expectations people have for us. The reality is that misunderstood or uncommunicated expectations cannot be met. Expectations from others may be reasonable or unreasonable. When unreasonable expectations are placed upon us, or we give too much of ourselves as we strive to meet or exceed expectations, we can find ourselves feeling burned out. If we are overzealous in our pursuit of exceeding expectations, then people eventually presume that we will continue to go over and above at each and every opportunity. When we no longer can go the extra mile, or no longer wish to, we and others can feel disappointed, frustrated, and resentful. Through this lens, it's not difficult to see how expectations can be a root cause of damaged relationships and compassion fatigue. Let's look at how we can clarify expectations with others. Think about an expectation someone in the workplace has of you that you feel is unclear or unrealistic. Keep this expectation in mind as we review these tips. Let's review the tips for a dialogue about expectation concerns, clarifying the why, what, and how. For those with more positional power, communicating with those with less positional power. Ask about others' ideas. Explain the rationale. Disclose your own fallibility, mistakes, and need for advice. Overcommunicate your intentions. Summarize and repeat. For those with less positional power, communicating with those with more positional power. Avoid triangulation. Ask questions to seek the rationale. Assert personal views. Ask permission. And connect your ideas. Tips for clarifying expectation concerns. How can you use these tips to clarify the unclear or unrealistic expectations someone else has for you? What is an expectation you hold for someone else that you would like to clarify with them? Take a moment to plan for how to use these tips in the future. Let's pause to reflect. Understanding the why, how it aligns with our mission. Contemplate the what is expected, and consider the how to measure achievement is crucial for meeting expectations. If you find it challenging to identify these elements, consult with a person who communicated the expectation for clarification. When establishing expectations, ensure that these components are clearly defined as well. Thank you for watching part 2 of the expectations session. In the Compassion Resilience series,